Alright, well, my camera's a pile of shit, but today we're going to be working on this old sassy girl. I gotta pull this head off, and to do that you gotta get your carbon off, your whole intake, you gotta get this little fucking, that shiny guy off there. And I'm taking the radiator out because she's got a bit of a, I think it's a factory overflow is what the correct term for that is. It's pretty much eliminates the need for an overflow tank, and it really just relieves pressure for the whole cooling system. So if she's overheating, you know, it's not gonna fucking blow up or anything. It's just gonna, you know, be relieved right out of here, which is honestly a great feature for these. But anyway, yeah, so carbon needs to come off. Basically got to rip apart this. So you can see here, we're really about safety when it comes to doing this kind of thing. So you really want to get your wood wedged in between the hood and your workbench. So once those are, you know, really nicely fucking just in there, what you're gonna do is you're gonna lift your radiator out. Huh. Oh, it's pissing everywhere. That's cool. So we got the radiator out, which isn't really the main purpose of this video, but it's out, so that's cool. Now we're gonna rip that guy out, but first we gotta get on that. We gotta take the fuel fucking bleep blooper doo up there. Kinda spilled fucking coolant everywhere, and ATF got on my boot, but I'll live. But yeah, we're gonna pull that shit out and just start getting done. And hopefully this camera doesn't die, because it says the battery's at 0, but it keeps fucking going up and down and up and down because my fucking camera's bisexual. Alright, so we got the carbon completely pulled off. I can't really see it on the screen here, but you guys might be able to see it on video because this camera's got just an awful screen. But yeah, so carburetor's pulled off. Next thing we gotta do here is pull this guy off. So we're gonna try and get some tape here and mark down what every single one of these is on, like 4, 3, 2, 1, because that's how Fords work for whatever reason. And yeah, hopefully this won't be so bad. Alright, so I'm just gonna put you guys here, so I'm gonna try and do a little time lapse. If it works, it works. If not, then I mean whatever. So I'm gonna stop the time-lapse thing right now. And I'm gonna pull this fucking head off, and we'll look at it when she's done, because I only got like a few minutes of battery left. Alright. So, we've officially got all the bolts off for this. So this head should just like, yep, do that. You just gotta get this guy down here off, which shouldn't be too bad. I'm pretty sure that should just be a 9/16. If I can get my fucking fingers in there. I don't know if it is. It's something. Anyway, I think it's 5/8. Yeah, this head should, I should be able to just tear it off the fucking thing and it'll be done and I can get the head off. Alright, I'll put this camera somewhere you guys can watch me break my fucking back, so move this back here hopefully. And let's try and get this fucking header out. She's heavy. Oh, there's glue in there. Let's see. How fucked is it? 3, 2. How fucked are you? Not that fucked. There's that dropped valve. That's not good. Fuck. Well, this needs rebuilt pretty bad. Cool. These pants are fucked now. Whatever. So now, what we need to do is get number uno. Why are all these? Ooh, that's not good. That's really not good. Ooh, that's bad. We'll pretend we never saw that. Alright, so now we can get a nice look at all of our cylinders. I can get my full light. Cylinders all look okay-ish. One with the dropped valve doesn't look as bad as you'd think it would. None of them are really fucked up, so that's good. So we've got our bags of bolts now for our intakes. Got that cunt off, that cunt's off. All our push rods are labeled. Got all this shit that was kind of like miscellaneous, just organized so it's out of the way. So, to send this one off, this fucking thing, you'll see it soon when I put the new fucking header in it after I take her in. For now, stay fucking mint. See you pricks later.